Morning, everybody. I'm going to be operating off the new standard map of the world, the glaciers map, which shows a timetable, and there's 20 divided by 24 sections, which there's 24 hours in a day, which gives circumference. And this is what I cut up in the globe on the last video, just the sections. Not all the sections, because I still have 8 other sections on the part I tore up the other day. Okay, now these are just the sections from this map here, in which I cut from here, that is left over so I could fit it on a ball. And then after I cut it off, this was it here. So all this was part of the pieces I cut off from a ball after transposing a circle onto a ball. And this is all measurable. If you notice the map, all this land is measurable. And as you see the lines of longitude, okay, they get wider, and then so your declination is more straightway. But the closer you get to the North Pole, you have to give a larger declination. It's because the circle goes round faster, okay? So that has to be applied to all mathematics and all navigation, okay? Whether it be by land, sea, or air, okay? You always have to implement a declination. You never implement the Coriolis effect, okay? Now this is one part. This is another part. This is another part mixed with another part, and it's covering all these land masses. So if you notice, the South Arctic Circle, just by the measurements given on a circumference and the actual measurable distances, you see how perfect they measure them? They show the inlands, they show the outlands, they show the spurs sticking out, they show like rocky areas. You know, all this was okay. Now this is cut out. This covers all the land mass of the whole entire world is covered just with a few sections of the Arctic. I mean, that's just really, science is not that difficult. It is observable. Please quit being deceived by these lawless, non-mathematical, misfits who got accepted into science because because they were picked on when they were little kids or something. I have no idea. Okay, but it's just, come on, guys. And this is what they show, though, okay? This is what they show. This is what they show. They show a little mass. This is just show a little mass. And it's the size of all the continents that they display to us, okay? Now, I don't know what may be out here. Something not shown. I'm not sure. Why are they hiding things from us? I'm not sure. But when you do a globe, you don't see this. You always see the globe. You see what I'm saying? You only really see the globe. So I hope that's, clicks something in your mind to say, you know what, hey, something, I did watch Sesame Street when I was a kid. One of these things are not like the other. One of these things don't belong. Well, my friend, a ball does not represent this. A ball does not represent this. You see what I'm saying? It's really simple. So, all right, well, I'll do another part, and I'm going to display on how, if the Earth is a ball spinning, and it is the distance in which it says it is to the equator, how fast and how much force will be exerted on the outer surface, okay, of the equator compared to someone spinning 1,000 miles an hour, because if you spin they say if you spin 1,000 miles an hour in a circle, well, I'll get more into it later, but I just want you guys to focus on this, that This is just a few sections, minus these, minus that, minus that, minus that. Okay? And those were cut off of these 3 parts just to show you that those were cut off from there. So that was cut off just on those sections right there. You see? So all that landmass that you see only makes up 3/4 of the mass of the Arctic Circle. All right, man. Hope you guys get wind of this, and I hope you guys are set free, and that you understand what reality is versus, the great deception. All right, God bless.